Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you YouTube TV versus Spectrum. Which is better? In this tutorial, we'll compare YouTube TV and Spectrum. YouTube TV is a streaming service offering live TV from major networks like ABC, CBS, and NBC, plus cable, sports, and news channels along with cloud DVR and on-demand content. Spectrum is a traditional cable provider with channel availability that varies by location, offering local networks, sports, popular cable channels, and on demand content. YouTube TV works on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku or Apple TV, while Spectrum primarily uses cable but may allow streaming via its app. YouTube TV's interface is clean and easy to navigate, while Spectrum's interface differs depending on the cable box or app. Pricing for YouTube TV is subscription based, whereas Spectrum offers tiered packages, often bundled with internet and phone. Availability varies. YouTube TV is widely accessible in the US, while Spectrum depends on its cable coverage areas. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.